Guess what? It's that time again. More video. Yes, this particular video is going to talk about railings. Railings are pretty easy. There are some things that, it can be kind of difficult with railings, some very minute things, but they won't go that far during the certification test. But what we're going to do is we're going to put a railing right here across the front of our loft here. And there's a couple things we need to do, just a little tidying up stuff here. As you see, the stairwell comes up into the loft, and you see here where the loft ends right over there. I really think we can scoot this stairwell up to probably about in this corner somewhere. So just grab your stairwell and drag it up about right here. Okay, and then we're going to modify the hole that we cut for that as well. And I'm not going to move it, but what I do, I want to adjust. There we go. Double click on it to get into it to where you see these pink lines. You're going to take this last line and drag it all over here to cut the rest of that part of the loft, the rest of that floor off. Then we're going to move this one up to right there, right at the end of the stairs. And then just click the check mark, and there we go. And to check out our handiwork, we're going to go to the 3D view. And we're going to move our, let's see, I think I already did that. Move our box here to do a cutaway, and you can see there where we adjusted that. So now it looks pretty cool. We used our space a lot better. We can actually get into the stairs a lot better now. Before they were kind of up here crushing up against the wall, but that works. So we're going to put a set of railings right up here and right through here. Now we actually want to put some right over here, but this is one of those intricacies involving the railings that they're a little bit difficult, and they're not going to take you there on the certification test. So we're going to skip that for now. You could probably find something like that in one of my later videos. But going to the level 2 floor plan, we want to hide, or we don't have to hide the roof, but actually we got plenty of space. We can work around the roof. But in a case like this, you could hide the roof if you wanted to. Just temporarily hide it by clicking here, clicking on the sunglasses and hide element. And then of course we'll reset that in just a moment. Go to architecture tab right up here, and then look for railings. And railing, we don't want to sketch path. And this is so simple, it's funny. Okay, so just sketch the path for your railing. Remember, we are on the second level. If for some reason your railing shows up in the wrong place, it's probably because you're not on the right level. Okay, so we just drew our first railing line. For some reason, we got to start the line again and draw it down this way. We're going to take it to the very end of the stairs to right there. And we're done. That is our railing. We're going to click the green check mark, and we are going to reset the roof. And then we're going to go check out our handiwork in our 3D view. And there we go. There is your railings. Okay. Pretty simple. And that's that little loft there is actually looking pretty good. I'm liking that. All right. Let's see. Stay tuned for the next video, which will be adding rooms.